Alright, day one, June 9th, 2018, 95 degrees.
What time is it? It's 1:50 p.m.
1:50 p.m. Day one, so we went and got all the tools
What did we get the tools for?
for the bus conversion.
So we are doing what?
We don't have a bus yet, but we are now 100% going to do this. We're going to look at a bus, fingers crossed by Monday. Or you are. I gotta work.
And what did we
So
get?
we got all the tools. We got the table saw, the sliding motor saw. We got the other saw, and we got a free blade with it actually because the Ryobi guy was in the store and saw us buying all this and wanted to take a picture, and he gave us a free blade. I got the nail gun, and they had a sale, so I bought this. I got this for free.
What is this and this?
This is a drill driver kit, 2 batteries, charger, and a tool bag. And this is the impact driver, all 18 volt. They all use the same battery.
Except for the
nail
saw-saws.
gun, yeah, that's corded.
Got
the
a
nail
cord.
gun and the grinder as well. So day one, now we just need the bus so we can start.
And we got a whiny Lucas. He's hot and tired. Don't say Dada, say Mama.
All right, but that's it until we get the bus.
Woo!
Bye.